this was very much around driving new technology. It's not just about, it was very much about learning, helping the engineers understand, but it was also about pulling together a lot of the elements that we've already got in the digital space within Waitrose. We've got a big engineering department which is made up of front-end engineers, back-end engineers, data scientists, quality engineers, analysts. We've got a really strong workforce working in a really productive way through agile practices. But what's more important is that the technology that we're using is really cutting edge, and how we're actually designing and building stuff is all Mac architecture. It means that we've got a really good suite of now endpoints to provide us with the data, which we make as discoverable as possible through services like Backstage, which means our engineers we're bringing to this hackathon their domain knowledge together with the technology and the different new things that are out there to make some amazing things, basically.